In 2023, the banking industry saw a mix of challenges and innovations, including concerns about liquidity and deposits. Some banks experienced real hardship, some even failed. But community banks like First International Bank and Trust managed those challenges well. We did so by continuing to focus on strong relationships. We consider these to be the core of our business. We have formed so many wonderful relationships in our 114-year history, allowing us to continue our mission of growing and serving the needs of our communities we love and our customers. 2023 was a year of milestones and successes for First International Bank and Trust. It was our second best year ever from a net income perspective. And while we grew our total assets, we also managed to end the year with a $6 million reduction in operating expenses. CodaPay, our payments division, celebrated its 30th anniversary. And our fraud protection team continued to work hard to keep our customers' finances safe, preventing more than 99% of potential fraud losses. Over the course of this video, our team will dive deeper into our progress and accomplishments in 2023. For now, I'll express my gratitude. I'm grateful for our board of directors and the excellent strategies they help create for our organization. I'm proud of our employees and team members who execute those strategies and strengthen the relationships that make us who we are. And I'm thankful for our clients and our customers. You are the reason we do what we do each day. Thank you for being an essential part of First International Bank's legacy of community banking. Now let's explore the ways that First International Bank is growing. Here's our president and my son, Peter Stenehjem.
2023 began with an expansion of our footprint in the Northern Plains. In January, we cut the ribbon on a new full-service location in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We've been enjoying our time in the community, and we're excited to serve more and more customers in South Dakota. Then in March, we opened a new full-service location in Moorhead, Minnesota, creating even more access and convenience to customers in the Fargo-Moorhead, West Fargo region. But that's not the only way that First International Bank and Trust grew over the course of 2023. We saw a $374 million increase in deposit growth over the last year and $260 million in new loan growth. Our total assets continue to grow at a steady rate, and we recorded our second best year ever from a bank net income perspective. That was possible thanks to the record-setting years in our Arizona market, our rural market, also First International Insurance, and CodaPay. Speaking of CodaPay, our payments division continues to serve more and more customers and process more payments. We handled 64 million transactions in 2023, worth a total of $102 billion, continuing our upward trajectory of the past several years. CodaPay was recognized as not just top ACH originators list for the prior year, and we're thrilled to welcome Trent Sorby to the FIBT executive team. He now serves as our Chief Payments Officer, where he's leading the growth of our digital payments initiatives and spearheading our expansion efforts into new forms of digital payments, including the next generation of banking as a service, also known as BaaS 2.0. We're excited to tell you more about how our various divisions served you in 2023, but first, let's look at the ways we helped our communities live first. To do that, here's FIBT's Chief Experience Officer, Wendy Wills.
First International Bank and Trust knows that when our communities thrive, we all thrive. That's why in 2023, our employees recorded nearly 6,000 hours of volunteerism across our 4-state footprint, packing meals, serving on volunteer boards, teaching elementary students about the free market, and so much more. And it's why our organization gave back $5.8 million in charitable contributions in our communities. Our philanthropy work took many forms. The Live First Community Giving Campaign, in its 9th year, awarded $43,000 of grants to 9 nonprofits and community projects, including the Aspiring Youth Academy in Arizona, who is our grand prize winner. Aspiring Youth Academy teaches kids leadership and entrepreneurial skills to break the cycle of poverty. We also supported a community wellness facility in rural Minnesota, a state-of-the-art medical campus in rural North Dakota, and we worked with Sanford Health to establish teen mental health curriculum for young people and families in the Dakotas. We're also proud of the way that FIBT supports its employees. In 1997, the Student Grant Program was established. It awards grants for employees and their dependent children pursuing higher education. In 2023, that program reached a major milestone. More than $1 million worth of grants have been given to support our employees and their kids' education. Community support takes many forms, including the work our team does day in and day out to serve our customers. Here's Chief Operating and Strategy Officer Michael Toy to dive deeper into our legacy of service.
The vision statement of First International Bank and Trust is that our customers leave feeling like family. So how do we achieve that? By building great relationships and providing innovative, excellent service. We're always working to elevate the experience for personal and business banking customers so that you can effortlessly manage your finances from anywhere. Our retail banking division encompasses a wide range of services like checking and savings accounts and loans and credit cards. We saw a 30% increase in new accounts opened in 2023 and increased interest in CD accounts throughout our footprint. The commercial banking division experienced solid growth in commercial operating loans and shorter-term loans for capital purchases like equipment and building improvements. Our treasury management team had a record-breaking year, 15% overall revenue growth and a 66% increase in the number of positive pay accounts, helping the businesses we serve stay protected. Agriculture loans grew by 12%. Our mortgage team closed $387 million in loans and helped more than 1,000 families attain the goal of home ownership in 2023. The Mineral and Land Services Division was honored to produce and present the appraisal for the state of North Dakota in 2023. The assets we manage include 75% of all North Dakota oil and gas wells. We expanded our wealth management team to serve more customers than ever before with retirement planning, annuities, stocks and bonds, estate planning, and college funding. And the First International Insurance team navigated ever-changing market conditions and worked hard to provide the best insurance solutions and services to our customers. Now let's turn it over to Peter for a look at ways our organization was honored this past year.
In 2023, our organization and its employees were recognized in many significant ways. But first, I want to recognize the employee who received our highest internal honor, the Odin Award. It's my pleasure to celebrate Dennis Walsh, our Chief Credit Officer, and Dennis is based in Harvey, North Dakota. In his 38 years with FIBT, Dennis has impacted countless customers and employees. He's built a reputation as a smart, well-connected banker, and I can't say enough about the legacy that he has created within our bank. Here are more ways that FIBT was recognized in 2023. We ranked 11 on the American Banker's 20 top-performing banks with $2 billion to $10 billion in total assets. The Bismarck-Mandan Chamber EDC recognized us as the 2023 Large Business of the Year. The Staples-Motley Area Community Foundation named us the 2023 Business of the Year. And for the 10th straight year, we appeared on the Prairie Business list of the 50 best places to work. And First International Insurance was named to the Western National Circle of Excellence. Many of our employees also received individual honors. Thank you for watching the 2023 annual report. As we move through 2024, our mission remains unchanged: to be nationally recognized as a community bank whose innovation and drive for excellence is propelled by the best financial experts with a heart. We look forward to serving you in the year ahead.